Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh shit, one second. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiff. If you're new here, you are standing in my parents' house right now with me. I came down to visit them for a little bit and I just woke up like 30 minutes ago and I just had this random idea for a whole video series. Oh, what a pretty bird. Oh my god, that's like red, white, and blue. Hold on. Wow, that is a gorgeous bird. Wow. I'm back, guys, to film. And in case you're wondering, it was a red-headed woodpecker, so let's continue. The reason I came up with this is honestly, it's just crapshoot. I just started thinking about it a few minutes ago and now here I am filming it. So if this video seems like it doesn't have a lot of organization, well, it doesn't. So today I'm going to test out half of my head using one product versus multiple products because I'm a part of a few curly wavy communities on Facebook, and a lot of the times I see routines from people and they're using like 5 or 6 different products to style their hair. And my lazy ass over here uses like maybe 2 products max. And so I don't know if I should be using a lot of products or a little product. I'm going to take a shower, which you guys will not be joining me on. I know, sad day. And I'm going to be clarifying with my Amika purple shampoo. And then I'm going to do a deep condition with the rest of this repairing deep conditioner. It's a protein conditioner from Hask, if that's how you pronounce that company correctly. And then I'm also going to pair it with the intensive hydration mask from Shea Moisture. I want to use up the rest of this mask before I leave, and since I've been swimming a lot this past week with my family, I bet my hair could use a good deep condition. I'm only like 3 to 4 months into my wavy curly hair journey, so my hair is starting to curl up more in places that I've never even realized, because I haven't curled my hair since I was like 13 or 14, now that I think about it. By the way, if my face looks super red, I'm 1, always puffy in the morning, but 2, my parents have a lot of big dogs. They're just shedding like crazy, and I don't think my sinuses are used to it, and I have watery eyes, my nose is stuffed up. I put a big bag of frozen hash browns on top of my eyes this morning because they were so swollen, and so I might look a little funky. All right, let's continue. All right, guys, I'm back. I showered, I moisturized, deep conditioned my hair, and clarified. The scalp and the hair should be good to go for these products. Also, I just spent the last 30 minutes trying to find good lighting in this house, to no avail. This is the best we've got. I'm standing in front of some roosters. We got a lot of beige going on, but we're going to do the damn thing. So let's get started. I'm just going to lightly comb my hair and make sure it's split in half down the middle, and then I'll re-wet it with some water because I like to work on very wet hair. I hope I'm not getting the roosters wet. It's dried quite a bit since I did my skincare routine, and I moisturized and put on sunscreen. If my face looks very red right now or irritated, it's probably because of this. I'm doing an American sunscreen drugstore video soon to come on my channel, and it's not going so good. My skin is so irritated. Okay, I think we are thoroughly wet. All right, so let's just split down the middle. I don't have a mirror, so I'm just gonna wing it, just like I do with everything in life. Okay, so for the left side, which is the mini product side, I'm gonna start with leave-in. Today we're gonna be using the Curls Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner. I'm only gonna use maybe like a dime size amount of leave-in. And I'm getting that nice squish that I want. This is way too difficult without a mirror. Hold up. Okay, so now that the leave-in is in, I'm gonna go in with the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Curl Activating Mousse. This is the mousse that I'm gonna be using on both sides today, just because it's the mousse I have on me right now. And I'm just gonna take one good sized dollop of it, and I'm just going to focus on the roots and rake that into my hair, and then I'll re-wet my hair afterwards so I can help promote curl clumps. But I want to really focus on the roots, and I need to rake them in to get the product evenly distributed. All right, so my third product I'm going to be using is AG Recoil Curl Activating Cream. This is a great curl activator. A lot of these products have protein in them, but with the AG Recoil, a little goes a long way. And since I recently got a haircut, I do not need to use as much product as I used to. So I'll just go in with a little bit of it for now, just because I kind of don't know how much I really need yet. I'm just going to squish it in just to distribute the product without really trying to be too aggressive on my hair. And now let's pulse. Like a workout routine. And pulse. You're doing great, sweetie. Push. Feel the burn. Pulse. 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 Okay, so now that I have 3 products in, the leave-in, the mousse, the curl activator, I'm gonna finally go in with gel. I was gonna use the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk, this gel, but it has protein in it, and I already did a protein treatment, and then the leave-in, the mousse, and the AG Recoil all have a little bit of protein in it as well. So I'm just gonna go in with my other gel that I have on me, which is the Kinky Curly Curling Custard. Say that 3 times as fast. Okay, so the gel is in as the last step of my styling routine. I'm going to go in with a cotton t-shirt, a pretty thick one, so I can absorb all of the excess product and moisture. Whenever I go in with a t-shirt, I don't go at a fast pace. I just scrunch up as much hair as possible with dry parts of the t-shirt. You want to be really gentle at this part. That's one thing that I've noticed that really promotes less frizz and curlier hair and bigger clumps. It's just scrunching up and then holding it for quite some time and then releasing. Ooh, this is a good one. All right, scrunch, do your thing. I don't know if you should be doing this with towel dry hair or with really wet hair, but I'm gonna do it with really wet hair. Shake, 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 come on, roosters. Shake, 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 shake. How should I put it? Yeah. That should be good, right? I think that's more than good. And then let's go down. I feel like I need a little bit more of this. Oh, actually, I'll do this and then I'll do the t-shirt, and then whenever my hair is damp, I'll go in with another round of mousse, just like towards the ends and stuff. Because I know a lot of people like to put their mousse when their hair is damp, not wet. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I kind of like the mousse side. Okay, mousse, I see you. Compressed air. I feel like I need to tip my head and scrunch just so I can get the top. Ooh, look at these. I have such thin hair, oh my God. I think I'll plop now and then apply a little bit of this to just the mousse side and then let it dry. Yeah, let's do that. I'll be back. I'm going to plop for 10 minutes. And this is just oh, hi, pause, let's go back. Okay, now I'm back. It's a little crooked, but whatever, it'll do, it'll just be in it for 10 minutes. If I plop for too long, my hair will be a little wonky no matter what, so.
A few moments later.
Okay, so it's been like 10, maybe 15 minutes since I plopped. I'm gonna take my hair down, then apply a little bit more mousse to the mousse only side, and then I'll let my hair air dry. Okay, so now I'm not going to touch my hair. Both sides look normal. So I'm just gonna chill with the roosters for a little bit, put on some makeup probably just so I don't look so crazy for at least one part of this video. Okay guys, so it's been about 2 hours since I started letting my hair air dry. I put a little bit of makeup on, my brows are fluffy, they're probably still uneven though, and I don't think this brown looks good on camera, but whatever, it is what it is. There's just gonna be a lot of brown in this video. Both sides have a crunch. The side that has more products, of course, as I expected, would have a harder cast on it. The one with just the mousse side, it's a very light cast. It'll break apart easily. And even in the back, most of the cast is gone already. I'm very surprised though. My hair curled pretty easily with the mousse side. It does feel a little bit heavier on the producty side. Actually, this cast, normally the cast takes forever to scrunch out, but this cast broke apart very easily. I think it's due to that leave-in conditioner. It's very soft, but hopefully all that protein helped. Oh, it feels nice though. It feels really nice. There's a part back here that feels really rough. I think that's the mousse side. I'm starting to touch the mousse side. This side feels it feels dry, but not in a bad way. It's just like it's crispy. It feels crispy. For lack of a better word. The cast, especially at the ends, doesn't break easily. That's probably from me putting the mousse on after I plopped. Okay. This side feels so hydrated. It's very soft. This side, oh, I'm not standing in front of the camera, sorry. This side, the ends are still a little crispy. That might be good in the long run though, to hold up for a few days. It normally curls, this side curls much more easier than this side. So I definitely think I need a gel to really hold that curl and give it definition. I'll need more than just mousse. So this is the one with the most products. This is the side with just the mousse. Okay guys, so those are my final results. I definitely think the side that has the more products has a little bit more definition, a little bit more curl to it, and it just feels better. It feels very soft. The side with just the mousse, I like it. It just doesn't feel as nice to touch as the left side, mostly due to the leave-in conditioner, I bet. And I feel like the side with more products has a little bit more clump to it. My hair up front tends to curl much more easily, so I'm surprised that neither side did that. I did get a haircut, not yesterday. I got a haircut this past week, and I think my hair still needs to take a little bit of time to get used to that cut, because I did cut off like at least 4 inches, probably 5 inches. And then before that, probably a month or 2 ago, I myself cut off like 4 inches during quarantine. I used to be like past chest level. It probably needs a little bit more time to just get used to the shorter hair. I definitely think I need more than just mousse, of course, to actually style my hair and get the results that I want to achieve. Okay guys, so let me know what you think. If you like this video, please like it down below. Please subscribe to my channel if you want more content from me. If you have any comments, or if you feel like one side looks better than the other, then please leave it down in the comments below. I'll have everything linked in the description box as well. And I hope you guys have a great day wherever you are in this world, and remember to stay safe. Bye.